When you think about typical assignment guidelines for college-level research papers, there's a lot of overlapping terminology you may encounter. Often, professors ask you to use scholarly sources, which are high-level sources produced by experts for other experts in a field, but you may see these called a few different things. Terms like journal articles, research articles, scholarly articles, or peer-reviewed articles may all appear. Really, these terms are referring to the same type of source. They are just highlighting different aspects of those articles. A scholar is someone who is an expert in their field and is often involved in doing research and sharing their findings with the public. Researchers typically publish their new discoveries in short-form publications called articles. These articles are released in publications called academic journals, which are print or digital collections of multiple articles in a particular field, usually with between 2 and 12 issues a year. The articles published in these journals go through a process called peer review before publication, where a panel of expert reviewers looks at the articles beforehand to verify their accuracy, often without either the reviewers or the authors knowing each other's identities. You can see how this process produces a lot of overlapping terminology. Just know that if you see one of these terms, they're talking about the same source. In practice, searching for scholarly articles through the library's website adds another layer. Academic libraries subscribe to resources called databases, which contain online material related to specific topics or fields. Databases often contain the contents of multiple journals. For example, a database for psychology may provide access to several psychology journals, allowing you to read all those articles. Probably you are looking for individual articles, not the entire contents of the database or journal, but knowing these layers exist can help demystify any of that terminology if it comes up.